I needed some motivation to go to the gym, so I got a new pair of sneakers. Wah! From Yes We Vibe. Yes We Vibe is a company that strives to spread good vibes, smiles, and inspiration all over the world. And that's where I got these tie-dye peace sneakers. Can you see the little peace sign? Ugh, they're so gorgeous. They're custom printed. They come in amazing colors, so I'm sure you can find one that resonates with you. They are also super durable. They have a high quality EVO sole for traction and exceptional durability. They are super comfortable to wear running. I actually wore them to the gym to do some strength training, and the mesh is super breathable. So my feet didn't get sweaty, they were breathing the whole time, and they're super lightweight. Like I felt like I could jump around and I wasn't being weighed down by my sneakers. They are also a lace-up for an extra snug fit. You should get your own Yes We Vibe sneakers only at yeswevibe.com.